Okay, I picked my Packard up yesterday, the 1937 120C. Ross Miller, a Speedwell garage, pulled the engine transmission out, installed an overdrive unit in it, at Borgwarner, and pulled the engine apart, put new rings, valves, bearings, the whole bit. So the engine's been rebuilt. And here is the engine running. You could actually balance a nickel on this thing and it wouldn't fall over. It's incredibly balanced and it's incredibly quiet and smooth. Performance is incredible also. Everything's incredible about this car. I mean, it far exceeded my expectations, quite frankly. It really did. I didn't expect it to come out as well as it did for some reason. I don't know why. But Ross is a professional, and you can just see the way this car is running. I have right now effectively a new car. I mean, the entire drivetrain has been redone. It's got all new brakes, wheel cylinder, master cylinder, carburetor, what do you call it? Everything's done. Fuel pump. Everything's been done on this car now. Fuel tank sending unit. Everything. New tires. I tell you, the thing is as like it was rolling out of the factory, okay? So I can't ask for more. I even bought all new diamond radials. I took off those horrible cokers. And I strongly suggest anybody who has cokers and they're not happy with them, you have a reason for not being happy. You can't balance them. And the white wall's yellow. Look how bright and white my white walls are in this car. So there you go. I got that done. I also put seat belts in her. I'll show you that. There are my seat belts. I have to just readjust them a little bit more. But you can see now, at idle, this car is getting right now at idle. It's getting 30 pounds of pressure. That's incredible. Oh, also I fixed my fuel gauge and the temperature gauge works. Everything's working. Every single thing, including my clock. That's the right time. It's right on time. So I'm all set to tour this car. Oh, I also put a tachometer in it. See the tachometer? So you see how she's idling right now. And I'm going to be touring it. I plan on going to St. Michael's. There's a big car show that'll be there towards the end of the summer, but between now and then I'll be going all over the place, I'm sure. But there's a back view of her. Here's the side view. And just giving you just an all around in this car. The car's like brand new, it really is. I mean, the car is perfect. The interior is like new. Everything's done in this car. I'm really, really, really pleased with it. Isn't that just beautiful? I love the style of the 37s. It's really my favorite style. So that's it. That's my video. That's my update. And I'm going to have a good summer. I'm going to put a coat of wax on it now because Sunday I'm going to Sully Plantation. There's a big car show there. But again, just hear that engine purr. Isn't that great? You can't hear anything. It's wonderful. Okay, that's it.